How to fix Instagram can't upload photos or videos. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is update the Instagram app. To do that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app Instagram. After app appears, you will see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch it and try to upload photos or videos. This might fix your issue. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, check server status of Instagram. For that, launch your preferred browser and navigate to this one website. Now search for Instagram. Over here you're gonna find the graph. Check if Instagram is working well or not. If there are some outages, you will need to wait until it will be resolved. Heading towards next solution, launch your Instagram, head towards the settings and privacy page, scroll all the way down. Navigate to the option media quality. Make sure you have disabled for this option useless mobile data. Likewise, enable for the option upload at highest quality. Once you customize all these settings, your problem will be fixed. Now, you can easily upload photos or videos on Instagram. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.